National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Weakley County in West Tennessee, northwestern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cottage Grove, or 12 miles northwest of Paris, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cottage Grove, Palmersville, Vernier, Matheny Grove, or Springs, Jones Mill, Foundry Hill, Crossland, Como, Mill Creek, Osage, Brundig, Whitlock, Conyers,ville, and Pine Hill. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley. Flood